We have just added this nose flute to our range, and it took me a long time to figure out how to play it, not gonna lie. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to play it, and hopefully by the end of it, you'll be playing it too. This is what it looks like. I don't know how it makes the sound, but what you do is you get this bit here, and you actually just sort of push it up against your nose. And you put your mouth sort of around this, and it's really important that actually you're not blowing through your mouth, you're blowing through your nose. Don't know how it works, really confuses me, but anyway, this is kind of the face that you pull 1 minute. Kind of like that. And you just go. And if you don't actually manage to get any sound out of it, I would actually recommend just keep trying, get it in that position, keep moving your mouth around slowly to create a sound. But once you get a sound, you can actually move your mouth into a different shape, sort of like this. And you can create different sounds. For example, hopefully you can figure out how to play it. And if you do, or if you don't, do drop us a comment. I would love to know how you're getting on. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now.